Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial for Revit Family wardrobe. I will show you from scratch from every edit thing to this Revit Family to the end. How can we manage all process, and we will have in final nice big wardrobe in a Revit Family, which will have every parameter adjustable, and you can change everything, almost everything inside, and you can fit it anywhere you want in your apartment, so you don't have to still create from scratch every wardrobe you will try to fit somewhere. So in general, Revit families are under program in Revit. It's basically in the simplest way you can add just parameter to uh, every like dimension or more things inside of this Revit family, and you will able to change everything after that. So I will show you everything from beginning to the end, and we will working also with nested families. They are really important also because uh, it's impossible to make these little more complex Revit families in just one family. So it will be a little harder to make more families, but if you will see in the end it will be more simple, and it won't be so hard. So we will be working with nested families, and of course, basic thing about Revit families, you need to work with reference planes, and I will show you after this first video, of course, every basic move I make for start and every Revit family. So you will see, and okay, let's get to the next one. Thank you.